London Travel Guide. How to travel London on a strict budget. There's no gainsaying the fact that London is a very expensive city. This, however, doesn't mean that those on a strict budget cannot enjoy their visit. There are some tips for cutting costs in London. For instance, if you don't mind staying in budget accommodation, visiting mainly free attractions and cooking your meals, you can budget at the lower end. Buy an Oyster Card. As I earlier told you, this prepaid Metro card can help you save a lot, up to 50% on all Metro rides. As you're likely to take the subway frequently, you can buy in bulk to enjoy further discounts. You can get back all the unused funds on the card at the end of your journey. Visit small theatres. Yes, one of the reasons to visit London is the theatres, but to save on this, consider visiting smaller concerts and less popular comedy evenings. With about £10, you can still have a nice time at a theatre. This is great to avoid spending a fortune on The Lion King or Les Misérables. Steer clear of taxis. Unfortunately, you can't avoid spending on expensive taxi rides if you want to be getting around in London. If you're travelling London on a budget, you have to plan your itinerary well to avoid relying on taxis. This may require that you get back to your accommodation before it's too late into the night. Understand how night bus runs. If you factor into the journey the fact that the night bus shutdown time, you can plan your journey accordingly. For instance, you can download a map of the night bus routes so as to know the quickest way to move each day and get back to your hotel or hostel in good time. Fortunately, these buses ply every part of the city and even some of the suburban areas. Use the Taste Card. There are many restaurants that offer a diner's membership card for 50%. You can save on food, especially on those pricey dinners you love to indulge in if you get this card. Don't buy bottled water. The tap water in most areas of the city is perfectly safe to drink unless otherwise indicated. By simply carrying a refillable water bottle, you'll save money and help save the climate by reducing the use of wasteful plastic bottles. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment and turn on the notification bell. This is Learning Canteen.